This is our multi-keep adjustable shelf. It was originally designed for carrying spices. So each one of these blocks can fit in exactly around 2-inch diameter spice jar of some kind. And you can see it slides in back quite a way. So it slides in perfectly. And there are 5 down and 6 across slots. So you can have as many as 30 little cubby holes here just by adding in more shelves. It comes with vertical shelves all the way across and then horizontal shelves. It also includes a few extra of these type shelves, so you can make larger knick-knack holes. So if you want to use this as a for displaying some collections of whatever kind you like. We have a lot of our customers, probably over half our customers, use it just for that, not even for spices. I've added the included rubber feet on the bottom, as you can see, just to make it tilt back slightly. It makes the spices slide in really nicely when you do that. You also can just drill through this and mount it against a stud if you like. And of course, a lot of people also use these as a drawer organizer for a really deep drawer, because then you can slide things around that way. So it's very versatile. It's 100% bamboo. It's very sustainable, and you can see it's got our traditional dovetail joints that we always use when we can to create a really strong solid bond. You can hold at least 55 pounds on this, possibly more. I've never tried to hold more than that, but you can hold quite a bit.